everyone, my name is GYATHRI. I am from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BSC in Sri Venkateshwara Degree College, Anantapur with an aggregate of 8.86 GPA. I joined Jspiders in the month of August as an incubation student. Now within 2 months, I got placed in a company called CARELON with a CTC of 3 LPA. For me, Java was taught by Pooja ma'am and Pawan sir, and web technology was taught by Cyril sir, and SQL was taught by Chandradeka ma'am and Uma Shankar sir. Here, the grooming presentations and mocks will happen. That helped me a lot to improve my communication skills and build my confidence, which helps me to crack this interview. And for me, grooming was taken by Pawan sir, which helped me a lot. And thank you for Pawan sir for taking me grooming and building my confidence skills. And thank you to all the HRs and faculties of Jspiders Hebbal branch. Thank you so much.